All right, so we've got 2 eggs in here and we're going to just do a quick scramble. So I'm gonna light up this stove. And anytime you're cooking non-water, you wanna just have your heat nice and low. I'm just gonna start scrambling that up. Your heat, especially when it's on real low like this, you can touch your bare bowl pretty safely. Obviously, use caution anytime you touch something that's on a stove, but the bare bowl is a lot more touchable than a regular metal pot, which makes it very handy. It's warm, but I would never grab a pot off the stove like that. And there you have it. Perfect cooked eggs, seasoned, salt and pepper, however you like to do it. I turned off the heat. Regardless of how easy this is to touch on the sides, you're never going to want to touch the bottom until it's completely cooled. One of the benefits of the bare bowl is that the base stays warm a lot longer than a normal pot. Delicious. You want to try some, Lay?
Cast iron eggs. Wait, it looks hot.
Okay, I'll let you feed yourself.
I got it. I got it.
Like a baby bird.
Much better, huh? Not crusty and
the other ones were burnt.
It's hard not to burn eggs on a cast iron skillet, or most skillets.
Some Jordan, get in there.
Keep in mind too, this is 0 oil.
0 seasoned.
0 oil or butter. And as you can see, you can stir this stuff around and it just comes right off.
My turn.
Get in here, babe.
The whole family. Those are really good. That's incredible. All right.
Here comes the airplane.
Oh boy.
Quick trick is just lay the hot surface on the cold water. 2 seconds. Dry it off. You can hold it. Clean it. So the bare bowl is made out of food grade, flame resistant material. And because it opens flat, grab our fork like so, and it's super slick material, it is the easiest pot to clean.